The uncertainties trailing the Central Bank of Nigeria's (CBN's) Naira redesign policy continued yesterday when the Supreme Court overruled an earlier injunction granted by a high court in the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), restraining the federal government and the CBN from undermining the February 10 deadline for the ongoing currency swap. While the Supreme Court ruling appeared to have doused the tension scarcity of cash had induced in the polity, the federal government, last night, approached the Supreme Court, asking it to dismiss a suit challenging the February 10 deadline set by CBN to end the legal tender status of the old currency notes of N200, N500, and N1000. It argued that the Supreme Court lacks jurisdiction to hear the suit, which was filed by 3 states, Kaduna, Kogi, and Zamfara, all in the northern part of the country and controlled by the ruling All Progressives Congress (APC). The respondent maintained that the case is not a dispute between the Federation and the state governments, but merely an issue about CBN's policy. It said the suit is, therefore, not qualified to be taken directly to the Supreme Court for adjudication, arguing that the suit ought to have commenced at the Federal High Court. Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, SAN, sued as the sole defendant, as the representative of the federal government, filed his opposition to the suit as a preliminary objection against it at the Supreme Court on Wednesday night. The 3 state governments, in their application filed to challenge the Naira redesign policy, prayed for an order restraining CBN from ending the use of the old notes on February 10. They cited the suffering scarcity of the new notes had brought upon many Nigerians. After listening to the applicant's lawyer yesterday, a 7-member panel of the court, led by John Okoro, issued an order of interim injunction halting the plan by CBN to end the use of the old banknotes.